and today I have the Mk3 Skoda, which goes for the Octavia, Rapid and Yeti and all the Golf Volkswagen cars. Production is 2015. I want to set the clock on this car, so I'm gonna switch on the ignition. So I have the ignition on. I hit the set button. And now it will go to the hours. You can see it gave me charge and the hours are beeping, so I'll set the hour again. Set button now, so I'll try. Once it starts blinking, I will fix the hours. Just let me wait till I see time. What is the time? And then release the button. Wait, it starts the minutes, so I start fixing the minutes. Then I release my hand and the time is set. So this is how you reset the time on the Mk3 all Volkswagen cars, including Audi, Skoda. Hope you like it. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in other videos. Bye bye.